1979 XB. Sometimes the most dangerous asteroids are the ones that slip through the cracks. Take 1979 XB, for example. First discovered in 1979, this asteroid is one that hasn't been seen for decades. Despite being nearly forgotten, 1979 XB's massive size and unpredictable orbit make it a serious concern. Measuring approximately 0.66 miles in diameter, it's big enough to cause significant damage if it were to collide with Earth. So why is it so dangerous? The problem lies in its orbit. While scientists currently have little information about 1979 XB's precise location, they estimate it has a 0.000055% chance of hitting Earth on December 14, 2113. If that impact were to happen, the consequences would be catastrophic. The energy released upon collision would be equivalent to 30 billion tons of TNT, enough to trigger devastating wildfires, massive tsunamis, and possibly even global climate disruption. That's the kind of impact that could reshape the entire planet, altering ecosystems and weather patterns for years to come. Despite its risk, 1979 XB isn't an immediate threat. Still, this asteroid serves as a chilling reminder of how many objects are out there, lurking in space, ready to pose a threat. And that's why scientists are working tirelessly to monitor asteroids like 1979 XB. With advanced telescopes and improved tracking systems, astronomers continue to watch for any changes in the asteroid's path. The hope is that with the right technology we can detect these cosmic dangers long before they reach our doorstep. The more we learn, the better prepared we'll be to deal with these threats, no matter how distant they may seem.